Hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes. I'm the co-founder of Frando Technology Company. So this morning, Binance made some notification, and I'm here to tell you much about it. Yeah, they made three notifications today, and one is about the Doge Queen. The dog queen. Yeah, the dog queen. And and this dog queen, a lot of people are having this dog queen. If you're a fan of playing games online, at times they will reward you with some dog queen and things. Yeah, and some up to they will give you it for free. Yeah. So right now, Binance has announced that the dog coin will be in their blockchain right now. So I went to the market, the trade, and I searched for the dog to USDT, and I see that people, you can see right now that people are buying and selling. And I want to do a quick review about this thing. Yeah. Right now, if I have 15 USDT, I'm getting 12,527 Doge coin. If I'm having the Doge coin and the Doge coin, you see, it's the same rate. So, yeah, you are having what 12,527 Doge coin. And right now, Binance is right now, they want to let it right now to their blockchain. So it means that people who already have this Dogecoin will do a lot of exchange, and this will push the crypto to a highest height. So to me, right now, I would advise you to buy it right now. Don't sell it. And if you have some, don't sell it. Don't sell it. Buy it. If you have some, save it. If you don't have some, buy it and save it. You see that thing? Because right now, if they list it, it will boost the price value or the market value. It will boost it. It will boost the market value. So I'll advise you that if you have some right now, please don't be in haste to sell it. Just keep it for some months. And if you don't have some, I think it's best for you to buy it right now. You see, I think it's best for you to buy it right now. So if I have 30 right now, I'm having 25,000 Dogecoin. You see, yeah. So buy it and save it. I know what I'm saying. It will boost soon. Sudden, yeah, it will rise soon. So don't sell it. Don't sell your own. I know that a lot of people are having a lot of Dogecoin in their wallets because of some games and things. They have earned a lot of that, so they will be in haste to sell it. Don't sell it right now. Just keep it, because I'm smelling some hot speed ride for this dogs to USDT. Yeah, so don't sell anything. Yeah, don't sell anything right now. Let me show you the chart. You can see the chart right now. Is that you see it's going on. It started from. Let me do it for you to see something. So let's do this. So it started from here. You see here. Trend, yeah. So it started from here. 0.00054. See, and right now it's running here. You see, so you don't rush to sell your thing. So you see, it's still on the rise. You see, yeah. And I know that some weeks or some months come, it will still go up. So if you have some right now, don't sell it. I said don't sell it. Don't be in haste to sell it. Yeah. Wait, 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 wait. And this the reason why I did this video, to show you that don't sell your Dogecoin right now. Just wait, and I know the market value will boost up. Yeah, so don't sell it right now. Don't sell it right now. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and I'll bring you a lot of updates about Dogecoin right now, and we'll trade more. Yeah, we'll trade more. Yeah. So thank you.